Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how I made this gorgeous bracelet. It's pretty, very simple, easy to make. And I also made using bicons and pearls. In our materials, I have two sizes of 11O seed beads. I have the silver and pink. And I also have three sizes of round pearls. I have 4mm, 6mm, and 8mm. I'm going to use this as a charm. Head pin, bead caps, 1-inch chain, clasp, and I already put a jump ring, my beading needle number 11, and this is the thread I'm going to use. So let's begin. First, I pick up silver seed bead, 4mm round pearl, and silver 6mm pink seed bead, and 4mm. And I'm going to just leave like a 7 inches tail. So here is pink and here is silver. So I pick up pink, 4mm, and then silver, then 4mm, and silver. So it's pink, 4mm pearl, silver, 4mm pearl, and silver. So they have both pink and silver here. Then I'll pick up 4mm pearl, then pink, then 6mm, then silver, and then 4mm. Then pass through. So silver 11O here, and then it's alternate. Pick up silver 4mm, silver 4mm pearl, and pink. You have pink here, 2 pink here, and then silver and silver. Then I'll pick up 4mm silver seed bead, 6mm pink, and 4mm round pearl. Then I'll pick up pink 4mm silver seed bead, 4mm, and then silver. Use 11 6mm round pearls. So my thread is coming out. Then I pick up 7 of my 11O silver. Then I can attach the chain. Coming out from silver, so I'll pick up 3 silver, then pass through. Pick up another 3 silver, pick up another 3 silver, and I'm going to continue adding 3 silver here, until here. Then my last 3 silver, then exit to 11O pink. And I'm going to start adding 3 11O pink, then pass through. Then pick up 3 pink. Pick up 3 pink. And I'm going to continue adding pink here, here, until here. My last 3 pink. So I'm going to just pass through some of the beads, make some couple of knots, and then I'll cut my thread. And I'm going to just attach the clasp. So my thread coming out, then I'll pick up 7 silver, then I can attach the clasp. Then I'm going to just pass through some of the beads, make some couple of knots, and then I'll cut the thread. So I have my head pin, then the bead cap, and this is my 10mm bead. I'll just use this to get my 10mm wire to make a loop. Hey guys, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. And for those who already joined, thank you so much. Oops, sorry. It's done. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day, everyone, and happy beading.